Welcome to this clear and straightforward tutorial on changing the author name in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to modify the author associated with any given page on your website in a very simple and efficient manner. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating directly to WordPress. When you arrive at the WordPress homepage, locate the login option positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this login link is your first step to gaining access to your site's backend. Once you have clicked on the login option, you will encounter several methods to sign in. Choose the option that says Continue with Google. When you select this option, the system will display the Google accounts available on your device. From this list, select the account that is associated with your WordPress site. This step ensures that your identity is confirmed and that you gain secure access to your dashboard. After successfully logging in using your chosen Google account, you will be directed to the main WordPress dashboard. From here, move on to the section where you manage your content. To begin the process of editing your page settings, locate the Pages section. Clicking the Pages option will present you with a list of all the pages that make up your website, allowing you to find the specific page that requires an update. When you have identified the correct page, click on the Edit option. This action will open up the WordPress editor where you can modify the content and settings related to the page. The editor provides a familiar layout with a settings panel located on the right side of the screen. Within this panel you will see several editable options, among which the author section is prominently featured. To proceed with changing the author, click on the author label in the right settings panel. This action will expand a drop-down menu that contains all of the current author names available on your site. The drop-down list is organized in a way that allows you to quickly scroll through and identify the new author you wish to assign to the page. Once you have located the desired author name, simply click on it to select it. This new selection updates the author for that particular page, ensuring that your content accurately reflects the person responsible for its creation. This methodical process of logging in, navigating to pages, editing a specific page, and finally changing the author in the settings panel is designed to be both logical and user-friendly. By following these steps, you can update the author information for any page on your website with ease and minimal effort. This ensures that your website's content remains current and correctly credited. Thank you for following along with this detailed tutorial on how to change the author name in WordPress. With clear instructions and practical tips, you should now feel confident in managing your site's author settings and updating content as needed. Enjoy the ease of the process and the improved management of your website.